going to see the farm. Woo! Mangga ibakan dua. Have to cut the vlog short.
Dio sikkaus sikili pasat. Voi emergency to some second to the back and last minute too.
Bola gang, this is live from Taveuni. We're collecting some volcanic rocks right now. For some LOVO. But we are rock finders.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Only in Taveuni. People look for firewood, we look for rocks. This is just the trailer. Just a glimpse. Said, now we're just going to the farm, getting the full Taveuni experience. To get our throats nice and wet, we have the local beer, Fiji Gold. This is the one, guys. Now we're going to see the farm. Woo! Mangga ibakan dua. Have to cut the vlog short. Worry.
The next day.
Namaka gang. Today we are teaching a Hungarian girl how to do LOVO. Yo, musu. Local aluminum foil right here. So gang, we have our lemnek here. Some nice homemade paste, garlic, ginger, chili paste. Today we are having a master class. Teaching this Hungarian girl. The local boys already know this, huh? So we are giving newbies, amateurs chance to practice, you know. This is all the Fijian experience, Taveuni experience. Local, everything local. Fiji made. Fiji government should sponsor me for this. Fijian made. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Time to cover the LOVO up. Another one and a another another 1.5 hour. LOVO done. Just cover it up. Don't let the smoke escape. Sorry, the steam. नहीं भूजी से भी वाड़ के पत्ती
जुलूम बना रहे.
Look at this.
It's all because I wrapped it.
Salvating is the word. Salvating. Rugby in Fiji is not a sport.
It's a culture.
It's a culture. It's a religion. We're taking a big stop. Just a small break. Some minor setback. Okay then, gang. After changing the tire, now we are heading off to Boma waterfalls with my brother here, who came up with a clear white shirt. But after sleeping on the road, changing the tire for us, gang, for the tourists.
The man, I'm the man.
So, new information coming through. The host has told us that there's 3 waterfalls here in Boma. But due to time restrictions, we can only visit one today. So he's taking us to the best one there is, right to the top of the summit. Guys, I present to you the Boma waterfall. Oh yeah! Okay guys, so swimming at the waterfall is done. Now we're making our way, ascending up to the lookout. Should be an amazing lookout as explained by our tour guide. Some nice local flowers, some 60-meter height looking trees, coconut trees. Tour guides huffing and puffing.
This is why you didn't drink beer before climbing it.
So guys, one thing I'm learning from all this traveling, from this Taveuni trip, is that you must discover your own home country before you set sail for another country. Guys, I'm loving this. Each and every step I'm taking, I'm loving it. People behind me, not so much. My tour guide, he's left behind. It is what it is. Or as we say in Hungarian, as born. Finally made it. Look out. Okay. Okay, let's get it. Up. Oh yeah. Okay guys, time to wrap up the Taveuni vlog. And what a better way to end than with an amazing view. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Namaka.